Do you ever feel like you're wasting your time but can't seem to figure out where? In this video, we'll be sharing elite productivity hacks that will help you identify your time wasters so you can reclaim your schedule and achieve your goals. These tips are not for the faint of heart, but if you're ready to dive deep into the world of productivity, then let's get started. The first step to identifying your time wasters is to track your time. This may seem like a no-brainer, but it's essential to understand where your time is currently going before you can make changes. There are several apps and techniques available to help you with this. One popular method is the time blocking technique, where you allocate specific blocks of time to certain tasks or categories. Another option is to use an app like Toggle or Clockify to track your time spent on different activities. By tracking your time, you'll be able to pinpoint exactly where your day is going and identify areas where you might be wasting time. Next, analyze your energy levels throughout the day. Our energy levels fluctuate throughout the day, and it's essential to be aware of these fluctuations to optimize your time. You can do this by keeping an energy log for a few days, noting when you feel most alert and when you feel more drained. Once you have this information, schedule your most important tasks for when you have the most energy. This will help you focus and be more productive during your peak energy times and avoid wasting time on low-energy days. Another powerful tool for identifying time wasters is to keep a detailed to-do list. This may seem like just another productivity hack, but keeping a detailed list of everything you need to do can help you visualize your workload and identify tasks that are taking up too much of your time. You can use a simple notepad or a more advanced task management app like Asana or Trello. The key is to break down your tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and estimate how long each task will take. This will help you identify tasks that are draining your time without providing a significant return on investment. Time wasters often go unnoticed because they happen gradually over time. To combat this, set a timer for every task you do. This will help you stay focused and prevent you from getting lost in a sea of distractions. You can also use a timer to break down larger tasks into smaller chunks and focus on completing one chunk at a time. By setting timers and tracking your time, you'll be able to identify tasks that are taking up too much of your time and find ways to optimize your workflow. Remember, becoming more productive is a journey, not a destination. By implementing these elite productivity hacks and consistently working to identify your time wasters, you'll be well on your way to reclaiming your schedule and achieving your goals. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. And if you have any additional tips, please share them in the comments below.